Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So this is Rohit. I hope you are good and doing well. And today I'm going to show you how to open any browser using SFDX command. So if you don't know about SFDX, so you can learn my playlist about SFDX. So SFDX is nothing but this is Salesforce developer experience, and based on the experience we can work accordingly, because SFDX is the most important for us if you are working as a Salesforce developer and using any CI/CD tool. So that time it will be workloads. Okay, so let's get started without any further delay, and please watch this video until end, because if you want to learn something new, so always watch my full videos, not skip. And I seen in my channel lots of people without subscribe, only watch the video. So I hope guys please subscribe my channel as well, and you can share this playlist or any playlist as you want with your friends or colleagues. So try to understand, right? Because this is the only way I can make the more video for you. So you can subscribe, then I can make more videos about the Salesforce. So that's it, and now come to our topic. And here this is the topic: open any browser using SFDX. So how to open any browser using SFDX? So you can observe in your end, once you create SFDX project, so it's open default browser in your VS Code or in your Windows, right? So let me open my VS Code. Now you can see here I already created this project that is called SFDX. You can create your project based on your need, but it should be SFDX project, not same org and org level, right? So here let me check SFDX install in my system or not. So first of all you have to check this command, and this command very useful to check your SFDX is installed in your system or not. So here once you type this one, now you can see here that is called the version, right? So this is the version, of SFDX CLI, because every commands works based on this SFDX CLI, and also you can see the node version as well. So once you get this information, well and good, you can work accordingly and you can run any command based on your need, right? So first of all let me introduce this browser, the default functionality of this project. So default functionality is this project is it's automatic open the Google Chrome browser without any inputs. So here you can see the small icon that is called open org. Okay, this is the shorthand, and also you can open any browser using SFDX. That is the our purpose. I will show you later on here within 1 minute. So just focus on this one first of all, like open org. So once you click on this open org, now behind the scene it's one command automatically ran and it's open the default browser. Now you can see the default browser. Okay, so this is the Chrome browser and it's open me the Chrome browser as a default browser. So how to check this is the my default browser or not? So you can go in your computer setting under the I am using Windows 11, that's why you can see the different UI and interface. So just click on this app. Under the app you can see default app. Once you click this default app, just come down and you can click on this Google Chrome. Now this is the Google Chrome, and this is the default browser. Now you can see Google Chrome make the default browser. So I already set the default browser, that's why you can see the Google Chrome here. So this is the step to check your default browser in your system, right? So I want to change this browser using SFDX, because the default behavior of the SFDX is your system default browser. Okay, so how to change this one? First way is you can change your default browser using this default setting. Otherwise this is not relevant, or this is not, we can say that, good practice. Every time you have to make changes here, so that is not good practice here, right? So you can use your SFDX command to open any browser in SFDX in Salesforce. So let me open my VS Code. Under this VS Code we have lots of commands. So once you type like SFDX commands, so you will be see lots of commands. So here once you type it, now you can see lots of commands. So based on your need you can check it. Now you can see, let me scroll up, and here now you can see the alias list, alias set, you can see config, force colon apex colon logget, you can get the debug logs. And let me come down here. Now you can see the MDI API, right? So here you can see the list, org list, you can check your org list, right? Also package installation, everything you can see here. Let's say source open, you can deploy your source based on your need. Let's say here you will be see the deployment here, like deploy, source deploy, and source push also you can see here. Let me show you here, create, retrieve, you can retrieve the metadata. So everything available under the SFDX command. So based on your need you can check it here. So now our need is like SFDX force is the common for all the commands, right, here to here. After that you have to check your org. Okay, org, I want to check my org list, so just org colon, then you have to give like org list. So just type this one and you will be get your org list. So here just you will be see org list. Now you can see my org list. So here these all connected, GitLab and this one, and this is alias name. Just focus on that one. We have two section here. I will explain each and every section. This is the first section, that is called Salesforce org, not Scratch org. This is Salesforce org. And second one, this one, that is called our Scratch org. Why Scratch org? In first thing you cannot see any kind of, that is called expiration date, right? But in another here you can see the expire date. So you know very well, if you already created Scratch org, so it's asking like minimum days or maximum date. So minimum days is 7, maximum is 30. That's why you can see the expiration date. Okay, so you can easily understand this is the Scratch org, this is the main org, Salesforce main org. Okay, so this is the org list. Now how to open the browser, that is my main funda here. So just remove it, org colon open, and once you type this open, let me show you the first of all here, open Salesforce docs. Under the Salesforce docs you can see this is the official website. Under the official website you can find out this force colon or colon open, and based on the parameter we can pass. So let's say some example is here. Let's say if you want to open your org, you can use this command. Also you can use this command with the help of org username. This is the username, and you can open in lightning or classic based on your need. And this is my command, that is I expected here, right? So now you can see this one. So how to use this? So open, so first of all just enter it. So it's open your that is called this project into the default browser by default. So now you can see it's again open my Scratch org under the Google Chrome, right? But my intention is how to open that that org with the help of SFDX. So here you have to, again you can see SFDX force colon org colon open. After that you have to give the browser name. So you have to pass this parameter, let's say browser, and which browser you are working. Please keep in your mind, till now SFDX support only 3 browser, Chrome, Firefox and Edge. So except these 3 browser we cannot use this command. Only we can use for 3 browsers till now. Okay, this command we can use only 3 browsers. I already told you, like Chrome, is Firefox. So let me open first of all like Chrome. So you have to type like hyphen browser and then Chrome. So let me click in this command and you will be see the browser again is the Google Chrome. So now you can see some processes going on, and let's see, yeah, it's again open my Google Chrome, right? So under the Google Chrome you can see my scratcher is opened. Now I have another requirement. I don't want to open again in the Google Chrome. I want to open this project or this SFDX project into SFDX org into my different browser. So how to do that? So once you type like hyphen browser, then you have to give your another browser name. Let's say Firefox. So this time I'm using Firefox. So just enter it and you will be see the Firefox is opened or not. Yeah, so now you can see, and you can see the browser is open. This is the Firefox. You can easily understand with the help of this logo, right? And also you can check your browser once you click it, help. Now you can check the about Firefox. So this is the Firefox. It's open your browser, right? So it's a Firefox. So based on your need you can open it. So now let me explain the last browser, that is called Edge, right? So how to open the Edge? Same thing you can apply for Edge. Let's say ADGE, Edge, and you can open your browser based on your need. So just let me enter it this command and let's see it's working or not. So here now you can see it's open my browser, and now you can see the Edge. So how to check this is the Edge or not? Now you can see my org SFDX project is open, or this is the org SFDX org and it's open. So how to check this is the Edge or not? So based on your logo, this one you can check it. Okay, also under these three dots, so you will be see like help and feedback. So here you can see about Microsoft Edge. So that is called Microsoft Edge. So you can easily understand this kind of things. So I didn't change anything under the system setting under our laptop or desktop based on your machine. So I didn't change anything. I just shown these things under the systems, like this is the default browser, and don't change your default browser again and again if you want to open this one. So you can use these commands, SFDX command, to open different browser in your system or in your environment based on your need, right? So guys, this is the tip about the SFDX to open any browser in your system or any browser, right? So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is very informative, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates like this. So thank you for watching, and till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.